Hi everybody, it's assembly time for us all again, and today it's a jigsaw assembly where we're going to think about a healthy me, how we can all be healthy all together, learning lots of different tips and think what's the right things for us to be doing. So one of the things that we're going to think about throughout the assembly is two different words or two different phrases. One is, should I have more of this item? And one is, should I have less of this item? So it's more of or less of. And one of the things that really applies to when we're thinking about healthy me is our diet. Should we have lots of things that are good for us? And should we never have anything that's bad for us? Or should we have a balance? And for instance, I've got some things here to show you today. If I was having a snack, I might really enjoy this as a snack. So I might think, oh, should I have a chocolate orange or should I have a real orange? And should I have more of the real orange? And should I have less of the chocolate orange? It's a balance. We have to decide what's good for us. The same with drinks. I've got some drinks here as well. Can of Coke. It's a Diet Coke, but it's a fizzy drink. Should I have less of this or more of this? Or should I have water, a glass of water? Should I have more water, less water? And again, once again, it's about balance. We shouldn't always say you can only have one thing and not the other. And that's a bit of what our assembly is about today, thinking about the whole picture. What keeps us healthy? Is it just the food, or do we need to think about our exercise, our socialising with our friends, our good fun times, play times, rest times, everything that's good for our body as a whole? So we're going to go through the slides as usual and have a little look at some of the pictures and see what they tell us and what do the people there think that they could do to be healthy, or are they doing the right thing? Are they not doing the right thing? So throughout the assembly, remember our little phrases, more of or less of. What's the most important thing? Okay, so let's share the PowerPoint together. Here we have a picture of a car. Now, what do you think the car needs to keep it healthy and to make it go? What kind of fuel does it need? Does it need food? Does it need water? How is that very similar to how we as bodies, what do we need? Have a little think about that. What do you think this car needs to keep it healthy and make it go? Here we have a picture of a burger with cheese and bacon and lots of maybe unhealthy kind of things in the picture with the burger. Is this something, the kind of food that we should have more of or less of? Have a think. Here we have a very colourful picture of lots of different fruit and vegetables. Are these the kind of foods that we need to keep a healthy me? Are these things that we would want more of or less of? Here we have another colourful picture, but this time the food is more of a sugary and fatty kind of food. There are sweets, there are biscuits, there's chocolate. These are all lovely foods, but are they the things that to keep us healthy? Do we need to have less of these? Should we cut them out altogether? What do you think? Should we have a balance of things? Sometimes a little bit of a treat and sometimes a lot more healthy things. To have a healthy me, we also need to remember that our body needs to have good hygiene. Brushing our teeth, washing our face and our bodies, keep our bodies safe and clean and healthy. So is it good to have a really good hygiene regime and lots of it, or should we have less of it? So do we have more or less hygiene? What do you think? Lots of people like to relax by playing online games or on a computer or a tablet or a mobile phone. But do we need to have more playing online and playing with technology? Or should we have less playing online and playing with technology to have a healthy me? Is more or less exercise good for our bodies to give us a healthy me? What do you think? These children are having lots of fun playing together. Do you think that playing together and having fun socialising with your friends is an important part of a healthy me? Do you think that's something we need more of or less of to help us stay healthy? Okay, so we've learnt lots today, children, about how to be healthy and healthy me. And we're going to finish our assembly now with the calm me, the way that we listen to the music, to the sound, to see how long we can hear it, and then we start to think about our breathing. So we're going to listen to the sound. Got the guitar again just to make that noise for you. Really think about the sound and help it to relax you. Okay. So now that we're all feeling nice and calm, we're going to remember our calm breathing, where we breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. And while you're thinking about your breathing, also have a little reflection of everything you've been seeing today in the slides, all the things that we've talked about that make us healthy, and see if there's anything that you could do to improve a healthy me for you and maybe for your family. We've learnt lots of things today, so as you breathe in and breathe out, think about those calmly.